Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss with you another question in the topic of algebraic expressions with exponent. And for example, we will start with this question as follows. So if you have x to the power 31 and then multiplied by x to the power 4, and everything is to the power 3, and this is equivalent to x to the power 2, x to the power p. To solve this problem, we should notice that in this side we have like x as a base, and we have another x as a base. So we can add, or we think that we can add 31 with 4. That is correct if I don't have another power, which is the 3. In this case, I should deal first with this power before I keep going with the same rule that I learned from the previous video. So when you have 3 as a power and you have 4 as a power, so you have power of power. In this case, what you need is to multiply it. So we need to rewrite it like this: x to the power 31 multiplied by x. Now 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So here is to the power 12 equal to x to the power p. Now I can solve the problem as I learned as a student, as I learned from the previous video, doing something like this. So I have x here as a base, I have another x here as a base, so I have the same base. So the answer will be x to the power 31 multiplied by x to the power 12 as x. Then we need to add 31 with the 12 as follows. So we have 31 plus 1, 2. So 1 plus 2, which is 3, 3 plus 1, which is 4. So the answer will be x to the power 43 equal to x to the power b. We can notice here that we have base on this side, which is x, and I have the same base on the other side. So this x equivalent to the x. So both are equivalent. So if the two bases are equivalent, then the exponent, which is 43 here, is equivalent to the b in this case. So p actually is equal to the 43. So in this video, we learned another method when we have a power of power, so we need to multiply. But we review the idea about if we have two bases and we just need to add the exponent. So here is another example, and I want you guys to keep pushing, to keep practicing. So let us work together to make the math more and more easy. See you guys in the next videos.